Do you find it time-consuming to manually add missing product data? In this video, we'll show you how to generate short descriptions based on product name with ChatGPT to PrestaShop plugin. If you do not have Store Manager software with ChatGPT yet, it is a perfect time to get a free trial now. Let's get started. Before we proceed with short description generation, let's check the data we have now. My products do not have a short description yet. Here you can see that it is empty. Let's check this product on the front end. No short description here as well. In order to generate a short description, let's start with our prompt editing. For that, go to ChatGPT menu and open Prompt Book. Here you will see a list of prompts available at the moment that can be applied massively. Also here you can find a macros list with product fields that can be used to generate product content. Play around with your prompt to make sure it allows you to generate the perfect content per your needs. I will generate the short description and use the product name and brand in my prompt. Once you are done with your prompt, go back to the products list and select all products that you would like to apply this prompt to. I would recommend selecting a few products to check the result before applying this prompt to all products. Use the ChatGPT button to open content generation settings. Here you can select the prompt that you would like to apply and action to be performed. In my case, I will replace product short description with the one generated with ChatGPT. Let's run the process, validate generated texts and apply changes. For that, go to the ChatGPT menu and open Tasks queue. Here you can see the ChatGPT in action. The status is changed from pending to generated. Here you can see the response from ChatGPT before applying it to your products. If you're satisfied with the result, hit Apply. Also here you can apply all to perform the action for all products in the list below. Once the changes are applied, you can check the product in Store Manager software. You can see the short description already. Also, let's check it on the front end. Do not forget to refresh the product page to see the result. You can perform this action for all your products in bulk. Also, you can append or prepend changes, or use other product fields to generate your product short description based on them, like color, brand, or other fields. We hope this video was helpful in demonstrating how Store Manager for PrestaShop and ChatGPT plugin can simplify your data generation process. Take advantage of our free trial and try Store Manager for PrestaShop and free ChatGPT today.